How to draw Grubbin the Pokemon, step by step. Hey, what's going on everyone? So for the first step of drawing Grubbin, let's first begin by drawing a triangular shape that is pointing towards the left side of the page. Nice job! Now on the inside of this shape, let's draw a small curved line. Now right above and attached to the shape that we just drew, we're going to draw a curved line that will be pointing upwards. Next we'll use a curved line that will attach from the left hand side to the right. This will help us make the shape for the top of the head of Grubbin. Are you all done drawing that shape? If so, let's continue. If not, feel free to pause the video. Now on the inside of that shape, we're going to draw a line that will connect from the left hand side to the right, which will help separate the colors. Now we will draw a second shape that is the same as the first one that we previously drew together. And this shape will also connect to the top of the head, and if I ever go too fast then feel free to pause the video so you have a moment or two to catch up. Fantastic, so far we're making really great progress. Now from this point, we're going to want to draw the eye, which will be right next to the first piece that we drew together. In today's drawing, we're only going to be able to see one eye of Grubbin, just because of how Grubbin is positioned. Now we will want to make an outline around the eye, which will connect from the first shape that we drew and will go around the eye to the shape right above. As of right now, we have the front of the body drawn. Now we're just going to want to focus on the back of the body, so let's go right below the face and draw the first leg. Now let's move right above. We're going to draw a big curved line that will connect from the top of the head all the way over to where we just stopped drawing that line. Next, on the back end of the body, we're going to draw two small circular shapes. Well done! Now last but not least, before we color in today's drawing, let's go ahead and color in one section of the eye together just so that you don't get thrown off. Thanks for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. This is How to Draw Grubbin the Pokemon. If you want to see more videos just like this, then be sure to subscribe because we upload on a regular basis. And next I'll show a picture of my drawing all colored in, just in case you want to pause the video and match your colors. Oh, and if you enjoyed today's video, then be sure to give it a big like. Great job today and thank you for drawing with me. See you next time! Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.